Dynamite onto the scene in 2005 through Flaming Eternity, and again in 2006 when Dark Revelation Volume 3 came out, but didn't come in first ed. Then again, once more, for the third time as of this date through Structure Deck, The Dark Emperor, 2008. And you know what? After all this that they have in common, they're all Dynamite! Wait, no! What? They're all common releases, and each new pack with a new errata for some reason. Also, this card can be seen in the Yu-Gi-Oh! 5D's Video Game World Championship, 2007, as well as 2009 Stardust Accelerator for the Nintendo DS.
Gen X, because this deck does not fare well